Today we're going to be swapping out the rear door lock for the VW Crafter. We're also going to be fixing the non-locking issue. One of the common reasons they don't lock is the actual locking rod comes off of the locking mechanism and therefore doesn't work. In order to remove the lock, we need to take out the rubber grommet. It's located on the side in line with the lock. And underneath that is 5mm Torx screw. It's quite deep in there, so be careful not to drop it. I used a magnet to get mine out once it was unscrewed, and then I started to take the colour cap off. I found it easier to prise it from this end, closest to the handle, but then you want to use something quite wide to prise the rest of it off, to not damage it. Basically, once the plastic cap is off, a little bit grubby, slightly scratched, but it's colour coded, so I wanted to keep it for the new lock. And then to prise the lock out, you want to start away from the handle, because there's actually slight notches on them, which is how they stay in. So again, take it nice and flat, go between the lock and the rubber seal. Okay, and then when putting the new one in, you want to put it in lock end first. Let's say there's a little lip that it sits under. It's a bit fiddly, but basically you just pop in, and then all you have to do is get your locking rod, which is a circle then a square, and the rubber section, circle then square. Pop that back on. Now you have a locking door. Give the old colour cap a slight clean. Press back on, and you're good to go.